Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to save Snapchat photos to your gallery. So let's get into it. First of all, open Snapchat. Tap your profile icon on the top left corner. Tap the gear icon to open settings. Scroll down and tap Memories. Tap Save button. Select whether you'd like to save snaps to Memories, Memories and Camera Roll, or Camera Roll. Select Camera Roll only. Selecting this option lets you save your snaps directly to your phone's camera roll before you send them out. Or select Memories and Camera Roll if you want to save to both your memories and your phone's camera roll. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.